fire.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angeli and I'm back with another video. Today's video, as you can see by the title, is about braided hairstyles for black women. All hair types. If you have 4C, texturized hair, relaxed hair, natural hair, curly hair, you can rock any of these hairstyles, and I promise you, you're going to look so good like you've never looked good before. Okay, and before I get into today's video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Actually, that's not what I was about to say. Before we get into today's video, I want to wish each and every one of you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. May this new year bring us all our heart desires, make life soft for us, and make everything fall in pleasant places and lives for us. Let all our heartfelt prayers be heard by God. Let them be answered with speed. Let everything we so desire be granted to us in 10,000 fold and in the fastest delivery ever. Amen. May God bless each and every one of us this coming year. Amen. So today's video, I will be sharing with you some stories, but before we get into the story, I have a question I want to ask you guys. How are you celebrating the Christmas? What are you doing with your family? It's like this year I'm seeing a lot of pajamas photo shoots. I mean, it is entering our eyes. It is so beautiful. I and my family, I really haven't gotten time to, even though I'm with my family and we're celebrating this Christmas, God willing, we are all together, but like the photo shoot and stuff, no, we haven't gotten into that yet, and it's really entering my eyes, guys. And I'm really happy for all the families that were able to do this Christmas. It shows how united everybody is, and I mean, it brings people together and all of that. Yeah, next year, God willing, we are also going to do some. I mean, it's so beautiful to watch, so why not? I mean, if I'm ever going to be influenced by anything, it should be beautiful, lovely, and exciting things like this. It's fun. I'm influenced. Next year, I and my family are repping. We are repping our matching pajamas and stuff. Yeah, God willing, God should give us long life and in good health so that we can see this. So what are you and your family doing this Christmas? How are you celebrating it? So on Christmas Day, I came to work. That's the life of a health worker. I came for afternoon shift, so in the morning I made some nice meal for I and my family to enjoy. Then wished ourselves happy Merry Christmas, and I came to work at 2 p.m. and then after that I went home. When I got home, we watched a movie together, and that was it. That was how we celebrated our Christmas. I did nothing, like I said, nothing like, I don't know, but it was just simple like that, and we all had fun and we're so happy. So, and another thing I want to talk about is the shebe and the kaka oil I spoke to you guys about the other time, guys. It's really, really doing wonders for my hair, and that's of my friends that I ordered some for them. They are giving great testimony. Okay, so if you are in a place or a country where you can get some, get some and use for your hair, especially if you want to be on a healthy hair journey that's next year, 2025. Okay, if you want to be in a healthy hair journey, I recommend shebe and kaka oil for you. It's really doing wonders. This summertime I haven't been able to braid my hair so far for the Christmas, so my hair is still on. I just unbraided, so I haven't been able to braid yet. And you know how drying that material weather can be, especially to anything around you, even your pocket. So it has affected my hair as well, but because I've been using the shea and the cacao oil, it's so moisturizing. Just a little goes a long way. It makes my hair look so moisturized and so soft and not dry like how that matter will make it look like. So yeah, if you are in a country where you can get some, please do. And if you're in Ghana, you need some, you can WhatsApp me on 0203419115 and I can help you get some as well. That's if you are in Accra or Volta region. But if you're in other parts of Ghana too, I can make it possible for it to be delivered to you. So just WhatsApp me on 0203419115 and I'll get it across to you, okay? And trust me, it's really doing an amazing. I'm really seeing results. So today's story, please, I need advice. I got married 5 years ago to a man who lied about everything just to get me. Firstly, he lied about his job, his account balance in the bank, and his educational background. Now that we got married, I found out that everything he told me were all lies. I couldn't hold it, and I told my mom about everything. She said I should please stay, that I can't just walk out like that. After some time, I took in, and my husband was not doing anything because the contract job he was doing finished. So he said he will want to go into supply. I gave him 1.5 million for the business so we can stand as a family, because I didn't want to stress myself with pregnancy as advised by my doctor. These guys squandered my money with different girls, and then we went back to square one. Even to eat was at the mercy of my mom. After 3 years, his late father's gratuity was paid to him. I don't know what that is. Was paid to him. He squandered the money again. He didn't use it to do anything. I begged for just 3K, and I think the currency is in naira, so let's say I begged for just 3K naira so I can start up something. He refused. And my problem is our rent has expired, and I have been the one paying our rent since we got married. As he noticed the rent will soon expire, he ran to their village to stay, waiting for me to pay again. But I have decided not to pay. Instead, I pack to our house, as in my parents' house. So he will remain in the village. I am sick and tired of the marriage, and I am tired of his lies, heartbreaks, and his unserious attitude. Note, we have 3 kids now, and the last one is some months. I am one paying school fees for the one in school. Last time I decided not to pay. The child didn't go to school throughout. Please, I need advice if packing to my parents' house is the best decision, or I should rent another place and stay with my kids. As for the marriage, I'm out because I've been my own husband and wife. I fend for myself and the kids. Wow. So right now my question is, which year into the marriage did you find out that your husband has been lying to you? Because I thought maybe the pregnancy you had from the beginning was all you have to now, but it seems you guys have 3 kids. Wow. I don't know the year that you got to know about his lies and all of that, but if he has moved from the village, leaving his family responsibilities on you, I don't think you should move to your parents' house. I think you should rent a different apartment for you and your kids. Yeah, so and get a job as well, get something doing even for yourself and the kids. That's my little penny, my little cents to add to this. Okay, my little advice. So please share your suggestions, your comments, your advice in the comment section. I'm sorry if my voice is down. I'm really suffering from a bad sore throat, and I really want to post this video today, Friday, so please bear with me. So I'll leave you guys to enjoy the video to the end. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Please don't forget to also share the video with your friends and your family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you all. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Bye guys. Okay, so I just remembered that in my last video I said we'll be starting something where you will comment where you're watching the video from, and then in my next video I will give 3 people shout out from that. But my previous video there was nobody commenting from where they watched the video from, so please in this video comment where you're watching this video from, and then in my next video I will give you 3 people a shout out. And yeah, this really help my channel, and I really appreciate each and every one of you here. Thank you all so much, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, share this video, and hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you all so much, and enjoy the rest of the holiday and the video. Bye. We're gonna be 2 hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be 2 hearts running wild.
sweet